from part 2, gaano kahirap yung process ng pagsulat sa dito sa part?
Madugo. Sobrang dugo. Nakita ko ni Direk na bumreakdown. Ilang beses bumibreakdown para mabuo yung kwento. Tinakbo namin kasi 1 year, di ba? Para gawin yung movie. Parang ganun din, buong taon namin na start. Kasi ang hirap dahil may part 1 di ba? 3 pelikula siya So parang ang layo nung kinanggalingan ng character. So parang from part 1, ita-trace mo yun kung saan talaga dadalhin yung character. So sobrang hirap, sobrang dugo kung paano umabot dun sa point ngayon sa part 2. Pero nung natapos, parang everything fell into place. Yun yung ang sarap sabihin na it fell into place. Lahat ng naging journey ni Miggy, naging journey ni Lyda, hindi conscious, pero it fell into place.
Did you have to consider the actors when writing the script?
Always naman po. Palaging kinoconsider yun, yung actors. Kasi part din namin sila, di ba? Collaboration din namin talagang malaki to So, sobrang laking consideration ng actors.
Do they also have special requests?
Hindi special request, pero what I appreciate about John Lloyd and Sarah, I can collaborate with them. We can collaborate with them. Kami ni Direk. Parang si John Lloyd especially, dahil ilang beses na kami nagkakatrabaho nila Direk Cathy, palagi naman yun Isa sa mga mamimiss ko sa paggawa ng movie with them, every morning pag may shoot, pinag-uusapan muna namin yung script So may input sila, may input si John Lloyd, and this time talaga ako proud ako si Sarah. Sobra. She collaborated with us, so naririnig ko yung thoughts ni Sarah. Ang laking tulong. Kasi since, ang ganda diba, dahil 3 movies na, kilala na rin nila yung mga characters nila. Ang laki nung nai-input na nila.
Si Direk po, may tanong ko kay Direk. Habang inaamin.
Ang bango ng baso. Sorry. Opo.
Si Direk, because you have also other characters in the film. Yung pong also starring sina Altantay, who among them are new to the sequel? At sino yung mga dati pa?
Si Belle lang po and one office mate na kailangan talaga namin bago. Kailangan hindi siya dating tauhan. And then Belle lang. Silang dalawa lang. All other else are from the movie.
Direk Belle is
Isabel
Daza.
Si Belle. Isabel Daza.
I have a question for Miss Carly kasi it must be real difficult kasi medyo ang trademark ng Cathy Garcia Molina. Iba. Let's face it, iba yung produkto niya, di ba? Alam ang tatak Cathy Garcia Molina. Mahirap bang i-adjust?
Sanay na ako sa kanya kasi...
So alam mo na ang gusto niya.
Parang nagsimula ako kay Direk Cathy. So parang sanay ako magsulat for her.
Okay.
Na minsan napipredict ko na kung ano i-comment niya sa script ko, yung pagkatalunan namin, kung ano gugustuhan niya. So sanay na.
Okay, so sanay na ka na kay Direk Cathy.
What do you think is a probable reason, since this tackles about relationship, right? So what would be the possible reason for couples to fall apart or to fell out of love, and how would they be able to reconcile or to work things out so that they would be able to sustain a particular relationship? Anyone can answer.
Well, kahit ano pwede gawing dahilan ng couple, no? Anything under the sun kayang pagtalunan. Ako, lalo na ako. I mean, di ba you can fight over petty things to bigger things, no? It's always up to you what you do after. Kasi you can always close your mind or isara na yung usapan at ayaw na makapagbate at sabihin mas tama ako. But, yun na nga, in keeping a relationship, you always have to think that it takes 2 to tango. Dalawa kayo. So, hindi pwedeng ikaw laging tama. So, if you want to keep a relationship, there is always that want to compromise, to meet halfway. Hindi lagi ikaw mag-adjust, hindi din lagi ang partner mo. Depende, no? So, ganun din dito sa pelikulang to. Actually, dinaanan namin yan. Mga kami ni Lloydie. Actually, yung sinasabi ni Carmi, Lloydie at si Sarah, there was one time, nag-uusap sila, sinali kami sa usapan. It was a talk between that, no? A talk on relationships in general. And isa sa mga yan, kaya nga marami tayong ikikwentong pelikula, isa lang doon ang dinaanan ng pelikulang to. Isa sa mga pinag-aawayan ang dinaanan sa pelikulang to. But in the end, I think it all boils down to being able to forgive mistakes, accept the other party for who he is, and realize that no one is perfect. And people make mistakes and forgive. Yeah.
Napakalaki ng tanong, parang hindi mo yung emosyon, yung involved, yung tao, mahirap sagutin, pero at least Delicate was able to, share what her sentiments are about relationships. Okay. Sasagot ba si Lloydie o si Sarah? Or you wanna answer?
Sabi naman na ni Derek.
Napakalalim yung tanong, mahirap talaga, kahit yung reconciliation part ang hirap sagutin.
Ano na lahat eh.
Di ba?
Sabi niya na naman talaga dati. Hindi naman talaga yun.
Did you have any other option for the title? Meron ba kayong ginamit pa na ibang pipiliin natin, let's use this as the title of our movie? If not, kung wala kayong napili, bakit It Takes a Man and a Woman? Because for me, I find it masyado siyang incomplete for me, the title. So, anong meron sa title na yung pinili niyo?
When A Very Special Love was parang on its way, no, na ginagawa namin, hindi ko lang kung saan ko ito na-chismis. Ako ka-chismis na ito eh. But hindi rin naman ako sure, pero pinanghawakan ko na A Very Special Love, may sumunod talaga sa kanya, which is You Changed My Life. That song, parang You Changed My Life was the answer to A Very Special Love. And so is It Takes. Kaya, You Changed pa lang, alam ko nang It Takes ang part 3. Alam naman kasi namin lahat na may part 3. So, noon pa lang, It Takes na. We were just thinking kung gagamitin yung title ng song o hindi, we'll make a new one. But since ang A Very and You Changed used the title of the song as the title, I think, kaya napuntang title na rin lang. But otherwise, talagang It Takes na po ito. Pati theme song, matagal na po ito. More than, almost 5 years ago na.
In terms of yung feeling mo incomplete yung title, ako nung una rin parang ano ba yung title na yun? Parang It Takes a Man and a Woman, parang wala pakiramdam, diba? Pero eventually, na-appreciate ko siya. Especially nung pinakinggan ko na yung lyrics nung kanta, kasi swak na swak siya dun sa kwento ng dalawa. So, parang pag inano mo siya, pag tinignan mo ng maigi, tama yung kanta, ang ganda. Na-appreciate ko.